Hey everybody, welcome back to Craps University. Today we're not going to do box numbers, pass line don'ts, field bets, but today we're going to focus on a strategy and we're just going to play hot bets. Hot bets are large payout, 15 to 1, 10 and 4, or 30 to 1 payouts. But our strategy is we're going to hop the inside easies for 5 each. So that is, let me get it laid out for the first roll. That is 9, 8, 6, 5, and there's 2 of them. That's the hearts. There is a typo on this. Which is right there. I've got 2 9s on there. Nines are here, 5s are here, 6s, and 8s. So basically we've got 10, 20, 30, 40 bucks at risk. We're looking for the inside easies. And let's see how we do. Let me get some dice. All right, and we're rolling. And 5. All right, that was a 4-1. Those lose. This is going to pay 75. That's 75. We lose 35. And we're going to reset with another 40. All right, we'll use this as a roll counter. We'll do what? 15 rolls. And 5 again. This is a 2-3. And we'll take some green this time. Let's get her out there. All right. That was roll 2. And 4 for the hard way. We're not playing 4s, but that definitely pays 30 to 1. And we're down 40 bucks. Drop another 40. And 4. 4 came easy. We lose all that, that's 40. I'm just going to throw in 50 and get 10 back. And 2. Same thing. We'll throw in 50 get 10 back. And 7. Throw in 50, get 10 back. All right, 9. 6, 3, 9. That's something we can work with. So we get 75, we'll leave that 40, so we're gonna get 25. And 9, 6, 3, 9 again. Forgot to count that last one and count this one. And that is going to be 25 to stay up. Actually, it's 35. And 10. 10 came easy. And we'll pay 20 or 50. We'll get back 10 and change. We'll just stay up. And 7. That's 50. We'll stay up. 9. That was a 9. That was a 5-4. Forgot to pay the one before that and that one. And the 9, we get paid 35. Because we're staying up on everything. And 5. Same thing. We're going to stay up. We get paid 35. Nine. That's another 5, 4, 9. Get paid 35. And 7. That was for the roll before the 7, and that this is just counters. So I will drop 40. $40 back in. There we go. And 10. Drop 50. Get back 10. And 7. $50. Get back 10. And 2. All right, last roll coming up. Again, drop 50. Get 10 back. All right, 9. 6, 3, 9. And that is going to pay 75. Pick all the counters up. And this was 300, 50, 60, 70 bucks, 370. So down 130. Not awful, but also hot bets are fun to play when you're winning. but not for the long term. 15 rolls in a row, you can see it's kind of against you because 7 is not there. You might have 5, 6, 8, 9. And with that, there are 2 ways to roll each of these. That's 8 ways to roll. But there is 18 28 ways to lose. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 ways to roll. Hang on. Yeah, because we're not playing 12, 13, 14. Yeah, so not really a good strategy. I wouldn't do it, but I will play hot bets. But that's the thing. Hot bets, they pay out nice when you hit them, but you can get in the hole pretty quickly. And then one of the pitfalls of hot bets that I have found is people randomly spray hot bets. You'll see somebody come in and maybe play a 6-3-9 and a 4-1, or only play 1. Yeah, the payout's going to be good, but you don't have enough coverage for the 9. If at least you're going to play the 6-3, you might as well play the 5-4. So you can just get all the 9s covered. And then some people chase after they miss. So if I was playing a $40 spread, they would then play an $80 spread, and then it just gets out of hand after that. And then if you press too many at once, we weren't pressing here. And then this is the big one. Now listen, where the common pitfall is, just like the field bet, if you use the field bet as your main strategy, you can't use the hot bets as your main strategy. It's a losing proposition. The house edge on the hot bets are over 10%. The field bet, if it was just a regular casino double on the 2 and 12, is around 5%. So if you're playing a strategy that's just field bet versus hot bets, I'd play the field bet all day long. All right, if you got any comments about how you play hot bets, let's see them in the comments. Again, thanks for watching Craps University, and we'll see you at the field.